this is Eileen with Lone Peak Physical Therapy. I'd like to go over a few foam roll exercises to allow you to have better posture and to loosen up those muscles from sitting or walking or doing any task at home. So what we're going to do is take the foam roll, you're going to place it to the side, and when you lie down, the foam roll should be placed underneath your shoulder blades. As you do this exercise, you're going to lift your hips up off the floor, your head is supported, your core is nice and relaxed throughout this exercise, and you're going to roll up towards your cervical spine or your neck, and then down towards the bottom of your rib cage. Do this about 10 repetitions, then you'll drop your hips down to the floor, foam roll stays behind your shoulder blades, and then we're going to go into thoracic extension. As you do this, you want to make sure that the foam roll is high enough so that you're not getting strain on your low back. So as you do this exercise, you should feel the stretch in your upper spine. After 10 repetitions here, you're going to go halfway back and then rotate your elbow towards the floor. Then you can go halfway back and rotate, alternating sides. As you do this exercise, you want to make sure that your hips stay even on the floor. Sometimes we have a tendency as we rotate to lift one hip off of the floor. So keep the hips nice and stacked here as you go back. After those 3 exercises, you can move the foam roll underneath your spine so it's supporting your butt and your head at the same time. Go into a nice pec stretch where your arms are nice and open. Feel a nice stretch, and then start moving into a snow angel position where you're bringing your elbows close to your body, opening up the front of the shoulder, and then reaching into a snow angel position. Your last exercise is going to be lifting one arm like a swimming motion, feeling a nice stretch here, and then alternating arms up and over. Each of these exercises should be done about 10 or 15 repetitions, and hopefully that will allow your shoulders to feel much better throughout the day.